Welcome to this video on the components and architecture of the GT framework. The GT framework enables scalable and efficient Guidewire automation testing using reusable components and structured architecture. The GT framework is designed specifically for Guidewire applications, offering modular design and supporting data-driven testing. Traditional frameworks are generic, less reusable, and often have complex integration. Key features include modularity, reducing duplication and simplifying maintenance, and seamless integration with tools like Selenium and TestNG. The benefits of the GT framework include increased speed and accuracy in test execution, improved reusability of components, and seamless integration with CI/CD tools. Guidewire Automation with the GT framework offers roles in testing, development, and analysis, focusing on test execution, framework components, and requirements coverage. In conclusion, the GT framework simplifies Guidewire automation, offering a structured approach with modular design and seamless tool integration. It enhances career opportunities and helps organizations deliver reliable software faster. For more information, please contact us at +91 9951 609 609. Visit our website at www.hopeinfotech.com or email us at info@hopeinfotech.com.